With the car now fully painted and new wheels, it's time to spice it up. Just like the Spoon EG6 built by Legends, but this time built by Noobs. Yes, with a carbon fiber wing, but it is in bad shape. This wing actually costs 560 bucks new. Can we save money by trying to repair it ourselves and make it look like new again? It goes on top of here.
How it should look.
There's only one way to find out.
So why did you buy this piece of shit?
How we got this. It all started with a steering wheel that I asked Ka to buy. But what happened next?
Found a nice one and I went to get it. Bought the steering wheel and lowering springs.
Why? I thought you were just gonna get a steering wheel.
I actually bought more stuff.
Why? What do you mean more?
That guy convinced me to buy something very special. Carbon fiber spoiler.
How much did that cost?
It was 150.
That's 400 cheaper than new.
It will look nice on the car. It's a spoon style.
Is this
fiber
even
spoiler.
savable like this?
Hopefully.
It's really light.
It is light.
What does it
But
look like on the car?
Let's try it on.
Hey. Bam! It goes on top of here.
No,
Like
this.
this?
This needs to go off.
Bam! Like
This needs to go off.
maybe we
This
should make a
original part.
mechanism in it when we brake. It goes like this, like air brake.
No.
No,
No.
I like it.
Shall we try it on first before we gonna restore it?
I think
I don't
that,
know how the fitment is. will be.
I think that should be. We should do that. Oh.
Done.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Look at it from a distance.
Oh,
Much better.
really nice.
El plan.
The spoiler is, I think, faded because of the sun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it, sand it down, clean it again, put some 2K clear coat on it, and it should look like new.
Mm-hmm. I've heard that many times before.
Oh. Hey,
Any particular movement we need to
nope.
do?
Just sand everything flat.
It's just 600.
Yes.
It smells.
Yeah. It's the coating. Ah, looks better already. Let's put it in the sun. And we're done. No, no. Also on the
much
sides
shine.
here. All the shine needs to go.
Okay.
If you don't sand it properly, the paint is eventually gonna peel off. Flashback to the valve cover. Done!
Oh!
Emotional damage.
Oh no! Oh no!
And we don't want that.
Again. Will this generate more downforce?
Nope.
Will it actually work?
Nope.
How do you know? ASMR. I don't know, this ASMR makes me pee.
Okay, it's done.
Time to dry it and make it ready for the next step.
Putting it in a nice place to be able to paint it on all sides. You have to paint
bottom.
from the bottom, the top, the side, so
We still need to make sure that we can paint the underside as well. So we need to lift it a little bit. Then the degreaser to make sure it's completely clean.
oh, yes, it's clean. Nice and degreased,
And we use the string to make sure the wing does not fall off.
and it's pretty tight. Can't fall off like this.
Nope.
Ooh.
Let's mix the clear coat.
This is the clear coat we're using. Whoop. So now we add
Now
the
we
hardener.
add
Two
two
parts
parts.
clear, 1 part hardener.
Yup. Alrighty then.
Going to apply this clear coat with a spray gun. We're pouring it in using a filter so no debris can come in.
Good.
Now it's time for the clear coat. We have to make sure to not spray too much because that will cause runners. And we don't want that. The other problem is dust. And we don't want that either because that could ruin the whole paint job. The first layer we're spraying from left to right. Can't wait to see this spoiler mounted on the car. Now the second layer we're spraying from top to bottom. They say this is better, so we just do that. And this should be it. Did we mess up anything?
So much, maybe it's just dust coming off of this. Oh, let's polish that later. Is it dry? Yeah, it's dry. F***ed up.
There's so much dust on it.
Dust.
Like a lot.
A lot. It's full of dust.
So maybe it wasn't a good idea to put it on here.
Yeah, maybe we should.
So even after all the spraying that we've done, it's still not easy to do. And it's easy to make a mistake.
Yeah, probably. Probably came from here.
From a distance,
It's shiny.
shiny again.
It's nice and shiny.
Looks brand new, minus the dust.
Minus the dust, but
Let's leave it for a few days first,
it needs
so
to.
it can harden.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can get rid of all the
Okay.
dust.
Spoiler alert.
Downforce.
Nice. Idiot.
A few days later. So in the daylight you can clearly see it has a lot of dust on it. We let the clear coat harden for a few days so we can sand it and polish it and hopefully we can take it
We're
out.
gonna see if we can polish all the dust out and make this super smooth. We're gonna start wet sanding all the dust nips. Gonna use a 1500 grit sandpaper for that. Take some water. Is this water?
No, doesn't smell like water. It smells like ammonia or something. I gotta pay.
Oops.
Sands.
So we're using the 1500 grit to get rid of all these dust nips. If we sand too much, we can actually go through the clear coat.
Some more
Well, until it's like really smooth.
until it's flat,
So we have to get rid of all the shiny parts.
almost. So now you can see, as you can see, the dust nips are gone. So we're gonna do that with all the dust particles, which is basically the whole thing. So we're gonna sand the whole thing with 1500 grit.
You can still see some shiny specks and these need to go. We keep sanding until they're gone.
Hey. Not
All the dust nips are gone. We still see some low spots, and these are probably from the previous coating. We cannot do much about it. But now we're gonna continue with removing the 1500 scratches because you don't see it.
Yeah, I see it.
So now we're gonna move up to a higher grid, 2000.
It's over.
2000!
Again.
Again.
Oh, yo.
So now we're sanding with the 2000 grit to get rid of all the small scratches.
Whoa. Hey, mate.
The sanding is done. We have some
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise, ketchup,
Ketchup.
polisher, mayonnaise. Hope for the best.
And this turns out to be a very dangerous tool.
Yeah, when I see professionals do this, it looks already different. Oh, almost in my nuts.
In the nuts.
What the f? But wait.
Hold it, hold it.
Wait, yeah.
The my nuts.
Yeah. Pump it in your nuts.
Stand
Okay,
here.
I'm gonna hold it.
Hold it.
What?
What the
Okay.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Tight.
So this should be the last step, and after this it should be nice and shiny. But also with a polisher like this you can still go through the clear coat.
Oh, well, looks really nice.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. Can maybe a little
Another
bit
pass.
even more? I
Another
think?
pass.
Another pass.
Let's hold it.
Ah!
All right.
So what does it look like now?
Nice and shiny. I can still see some scratches.
Another pass.
I still see some scratches.
Then you didn't sand properly with 2000.
So we have to sand it again with 2000 grit to make sure that all the scratches are gone.
We have to do something about our accent because we sound too Dutch, don't we? In it.
In it.
In it. Things looking really posh. Nice and smooth. I'm gonna put it back on the hatch or what? So if we talk like this, do we get a lot more followers or what?
Okay, after sanding it again, this should really be it. The finishing touch, making it nice and shiny. Hopefully.
And
Toit!
it looks nice.
Yeah. No more dust.
No more dust. Shiny.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
Degrease it, mate.
The final result.
Oh.
This rear spoiler started out like this. And now it still needs a good clean, but it's looking a lot
Does it
better.
look good?
Looks nice.
I think so. Time to put the spoiler on.
Will it transform the look of the car?
We have a problem.
We need to... Nah, never mind.
Oh.
The window washer thingy.
So can we put this?
Do we want to move it over?
Yeah, why not?
So we unscrew it here, then
Maybe.
put it back on the other one.
Oh, let's go in there, little.
Done.
He likes polishing it.
Tua!
Spit on that thing. Nice.
Nice, nice.
So much more aggressive now.
Anyway, let's go!
So how did we do? Built by legends or built by noobs? Did we do a proper restore and save 400 bucks, or did we mess up? Let us know in the comments.
I think the
Very
car
nice.
is
Complete. No,
almost.
almost.
Almost. One little thing.
Few little more things.
What do you mean? Few more
Few little more things. In the next episode.
What few more things?
About some other upgrades.
Again.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see. Next time.